Hello, everybody. Hopefully, we're live right now. It's our first time doing a multi-stream, so both Twitch and YouTube. So I'm hoping that this is actually working. This is live, and you're going to be able to hear all of us. So let's see. Let's see who we have in chat here as we get this
Well,
kicked off.
I'll tell you what, this has been an event just getting it started.
Just getting
We've
it
had
started.
so many technical issues, and I got these huge giant headphones on because of that. But yeah,
We're here. It's working.
Twitch issues. But I'm watching the Twitch stream, and it's buffering a lot. Buffering. These are my gaming headphones. Yeah, it's buffering quite a bit. Are you guys having that same issue?
The Twitch stream is buffering.
Yeah, it's buffering pretty bad.
It's looking better now. For me, at least. The delay is trippy to watch that.
Let's see where we are. And not only this, I'm gonna be grateful for Cloud9 here in a minute because to pull up all of my.
Ramesh, hello, Ramesh. Coming to us from YouTube.
Yo. There it is. Yeah,
Hello.
you're seeing all the chat a lot faster than we are, Tom.
I
I
know.
don't see the chat.
It just popped. Like, if you look in, if you watch our stream, then you'll see Ramesh on there.
Yeah. All the technology in my house today has decided to just crap right before this. So I see the chat in the video, but I don't see this chat in the Twitch chat.
Well, that's the YouTube. So he's coming to us from YouTube.
Yeah, so you have to watch
Okay.
our streams chat. Yeah.
But I can't buffers every 2 seconds.
Yeah. So Ramesh, let us know how the sound is. If you could hear all three of us, and so hopefully the sound is good. So I don't know, Anthony and John, if you guys can just talk for a second and say hi, and let's see how the sound is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Up.
Yeah. Oh, I should post on LinkedIn too. But, and we'll see. I'll be curious to see if we have as many people as last time. Last time was pretty.
Yeah. Are we able to see how many people are online? I can't see through here. Well, I can see 6 for Twitch.
Yeah, you can see on Twitch and YouTube. I think if you look at both individually, you can see. But we'll see how.
I don't want to risk opening up both. I'm pretty sure it's going to slow down my internet, and then I'll start. Yeah.
I got my internet's great, but I'm still buffering. I'm getting 500 down. But we're getting some people in there. Here, I'm going to say it. We're just going to do this. I say that. I look so silly with these headphones, but Tom, you're looking all nice and you get groomed up and you got your headphones on and.
Hey, you just gotta look professional sometimes, Anthony.
Yeah. I was trying.
Sometimes.
But yeah, for everybody that's coming to the stream, welcome. We're just hanging out, waiting for some people to show up. Just went live and we're making sure that the sound is good, that the stream is coming through. So for those watching on Twitch, let us know if there's any buffering. If we're having some buffering issues today that we've been trying to work out. The same thing for YouTube as well. Let us know if there's any issues with the sound or any issues with the quality of the stream. Please let us know. This is our first time doing a dual stream, so we're streaming live on Twitch and YouTube at the same time. So if okay, good, thank you. Okay, working fine. Good. I'm glad it's working fine. Nat Nell. I mean, I'm not even trying to pronounce names again. I mean, it was just a disaster last time.
What was the word from last time?
Cornered.
Cornered.
Yeah.
Oh man, Mark and I were trying to remember what the word was. Oh, that's a hilarious memory.
So it is evening here in the Pacific Northwest. So enjoying a nice Scotch whiskey.
Enjoying a nice coffee.
Just
I've got
hanging
a
out.
Claw.
White Claw, okay.
Yeah, these seltzer alcohol things, they're really taking the world by storm right now. Very refreshing.
Yeah, my personal trainer, he was like, if you're gonna have alcohol, have a White Claw.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, they're all like the same thing. The White Claw, Truly, Bud Light, Seltzer.
I didn't like it. I don't like them.
You don't like?
No.
Or do you like the sparkling water?
I love sparkling water.
It's the same thing to me.
I drink a lot of LaCroix. A lot of I like the lemon and lime.
Yeah, sparkling ice stuff. You ever heard of it? We had a lot at the office at Linux Academy.
Topo Chico, yeah. Mark's a big fan of the Topo Chico.
Mark.
Always drinking those when we're on calls throughout the day. Corona, yeah.
He doesn't even drink regular water. He drinks strictly Topo Chico, carbonation only.
Man, well, how's everybody in chat doing? It's good to see everybody here. I'm glad everybody's starting to filter in. So, we started a few minutes late here, just working through some tech issues. And for those that are either on Twitch or on chat, I know you're only seeing one chat in those respective feeds, but on the video itself, if you're watching the stream, the chat on the right side of the stream that is combining both. So so you'll be seeing chat from people that are hanging out in our YouTube live hangout as well as Twitch.
So are we able to see where they're coming from, or are you hiding that part?
No, I'm not hiding it. It's just not showing up. Like I can see it on another panel on a different panel on the streaming software, but it does not come through on the actual.
Gotcha.
Which we could probably. Our goal, right? So our goals. I was talking with Christine, who is Christine Perez in chat, by the way. She's manning our YouTube live feed, and so we've been talking this week, and our goal for this week was to have a little more higher quality than our first stream. So we're streaming to both YouTube and Twitch, and so next month our goal is just to be a little bit better. So like each time we do a live stream, we're just like, we have these little goals just to increment and make the stream just a little more professional looking, a little better run, since this is really our first time doing any sort of live streams like this on Twitch and YouTube. So so hopefully maybe next time, right, we'll have the chat working so we can see where it's coming from. I know there's tons of different software for this types of stuff, and so we'll see what works best. But yeah. But how's everybody in chat doing? Let's see. So we have, let's see, Nat L. It's 5 in the morning where you are. Or where are you located? 5 in the morning. Yeah, you got to be. I was about to say somewhere over in Australia, India. I'm trying to think of my time zones here with where you'd be. I think I think you'd have to be west of Australia. Be a little later in the day in Australia already. Ghana, 2:13 in the morning. You're in Ghana.
Wow.
Oh, Ethiopia. Okay. Wow, man, you guys are. I like the dedication to the stream here.
Yeah.
Staying up middle of the night, getting up early to join in.
It begs the question: should we do this at a different time?
Maybe
during work hours.
Yeah, maybe we'll have to do a live.
What does that mean for us?
Like sometime between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. PST or whatever time zone you guys are at. Since I'm the outlying one in the team on time zones.
Yeah. I think that might not be a bad idea. Maybe the next one we do, maybe we should do it like 9 a.m. in the U.S. and have it at a better time for some of our overseas followers and friends. I think we can do that. We can be equal opportunity to everybody.
Yeah, rotate the schedule a bit.
So much buffering. Okay, so Tino, you're having buffering because I know some people.
I am too.
Is anybody on Twitch having buffering issues? That is watching on Twitch.
Is it buffering from everyone?
That's what I'm asking for. So Kysen Stark. So Mark's saying he's good.
Yeah, but Mark's probably got some.
So Lucia says no buffering issues on Twitch.
Set up.
Yeah, Mark's got fiber.
Yeah, so we had two people from Twitch say there's no buffering. Another one that says, third one that says yes, no buffering. Fourth one says no, Twitch is good. So, yeah, I would say okay. If we have people that are saying it's fine, then it's not the stream, meaning it's not the software I'm running or my broadcast upstream.
I don't accept. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna be honest. I don't accept that, and I don't think it's yours. But I don't accept that it would be mine because I'm getting buffering really bad when I'm watching it. When I check my speed test, I got 2 millisecond ping and 480 up and down.
Try the YouTube. Is it better there?
Well, I don't know. Let me go look. We don't have a vanity URL yet, do we?
Well, while you're doing that, let me bring up the agenda for tonight.
Well, real quick, hey, if you're on, as you bring up the agenda, do me a favor. I really want to get our vanity URL. Okay, this is Kysen Build, new company, new stuff going on. Christine would super appreciate it. I have a feeling we'll see her saying she appreciates it in the chat. Super appreciate it. If you haven't, go and subscribe to our YouTube channel because we have to get to 100 to get our vanity URL, and that's just going to make life a lot easier. Also, the monthly update is out on the YouTube channel, has a huge update on it. So, yeah.
It is 2020. I mean, all the stuff that can go wrong is going to go wrong this year.
Stop. Just stop. Just stop. There's so much more that can go wrong, John. Don't bring that on us.
All right.
It just ends this year.
Well,
like New Year comes and like the sun shines, the clouds clear.
I wonder if YouTube's having buffering issues because so many people are streaming Cyberpunk 2077.
You mean Twitch?
Oh yeah, Twitch. Yeah.
Did any of you guys get that game?
I did. Yeah, I played it a little bit last night.
Oh man, yeah. I've been playing Fallout 4 for like the last week and a half. It's fun.
Oh, so there's a good question. Okay, so let's have a question. You can answer this in chat. What in your opinion? There's really no wrong answer here because it's all somebody's opinion. What is your favorite video game of all time? So like, not doesn't have to be modern. Could be classic game. Like, what is your favorite game ever made?
Counter-Strike or Battlefield 4.
All time.
Madden 2012 from. I'm sorry, 2002 from Mark.
Madden.
Let's see, we got God of War. Taylor Swift new album is scratching the internet. Donkey Kong, Age of Empire, played Age of Empires, Call of Duty Modern Warfare.
Modern Warfare, I did like Modern Warfare. It's a good one.
Mario Brothers, yeah, hard to go wrong with that. GTA, which GTA? The original 2D, top down. GTA 5. Super Mario Brothers from Christine. Duke Nukem. Duke Nukem was a good game.
Quake 3. Did you ever play Quake 3 World?
I never played the Quake series.
I think mine's got to be Halo 2.
Halo 2. I never played the Halo games because I never had an Xbox.
That was my jam.
Christine keeps being a fan of Taylor Swift today, I think.
Yeah.
I think I've only interacted with her a couple of times today, and every time we've talked about Taylor Swift, and I just see it in chat.
Yeah. I think she's sponsored.
Oh, yeah, sponsored by. But hey, let's talk about other news. And it kind of makes me grumpy how they do it. But SpaceX launched the Starship today. And hugely successful test. Kind of watched where was that yesterday. Watched it. It's kind of funny to see all the caveats on the news being like, but it blew up in the end. But it was all successful.
Okay, yeah, okay. Awesome. I saw the crash. That's all I saw. Like, was it the self landing and it just exploded?
Yeah, so it took off it got up to a point. It stayed at that point vertical, and then it moved sideways. And then it stayed vertical for a good minute or so, I think. And then it moved sideways, and then just kind of glided down. It's simulated because it's gonna glide down a little bit, and then it made itself vertical again and went in for a landing. It just seemed to land a little hard.
Oh yeah, it looked like it.
And then it blew up.
Man, that's how many millions, billions maybe, like is lost in that?
No. Their prototypes are empty though. So all that prototype was the shell, and I think it's it's stainless steel shell, and then the engine on the inside. They don't have anything else in there. I mean, that's not for them. That's not that much.
Okay.
The rockets, I'm sure, expensive, but it wasn't billions. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
because they can launch for less than $10 million now in those reusable rockets.
Yeah, that's pretty insane. Yeah, how they're being able to reduce the price on that, but guys, yeah, all right. So let's kind of let's start off the stream here. Now we've just kind of been hanging out, chit chatting, but yeah, let's get into some Kysen Build stuff. I'm sure that's why everybody's here. Super excited to hear about Kysen Build. Probably more excited about all of the giveaways, the voucher giveaways that we're going to do tonight. I'm sure, like, raise your hand in chat if you're excited about the giveaways.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
Raise your hand in chat.
So yeah, the agenda for the stream here is we're just going to do some introductions first, and then we're going to talk about a couple updates on the Kysen Build side of things, some exciting things that have been happening this week. We're also going to touch a little bit on reInvent. Interested to know, from Anthony and John here, what they thought were some really interesting things come out of reInvent. I don't know if anybody in chat has watched any of the anything from AWS reInvent, and would love to hear what some of your guys' thoughts were on that as well. Then we're going to get some Twitter giveaways. We're going to do newsletter giveaways, or announce the winners for the newsletter giveaways, I think. Or are we going to do that here? Or are we going to do that on another giveaway? Or another newsletter announcement, but then we're gonna have Hangout giveaways. So giveaways specifically for people here in the Hangout, and then we'll wrap things up. So we can certainly just kind of start out with introductions so that everybody knows who's here from the Kysen Build team. But Anthony, you want to say hi to everybody and introduce yourself?
Yeah, hey everybody, Anthony James. How you doing? Former founder and CEO of Linux Academy, now co-founder and CEO of Kysen Build, and located in Texas. I'm in a different time zone as the rest of the team. I look a little goofy tonight with my headphones on, or I'm just starting a new trend. I don't know. I think all the above. I am in a different location in my house because 10 minutes before the stream started, my other machine, I had to reboot it, and it didn't want to come back to life. So now I'm in what I refer to as my gaming area, where my kids and I play video games. So I got Overwatch statues and some stuff around here. So if you see any crazy stuff, that's why. So it's good. Glad to be here. Thanks everybody for showing up, and we're gonna have a good time tonight.
Yeah, and John, you're joining us. Last stream it was just Anthony and I. It was very impromptu, but this time we wanted to bring on a member of the Kysen Build team. So John, why don't you say hi to everybody here in chat?
Hey guys, my name is John. I'm the first official hire of Kysen Build as a software engineer. I'm very excited to be here. Yeah.
That's awesome. Thanks, John. We're happy to have you here. Join in the fun and festivities. And then in chat, let's see, on manning the YouTube chat, we have Christine Perez. Christine can type something and say hi to everybody. And then also we have Mark Stark, who is manning the Twitch stream. So they have split duties in each manning and monitoring those chats and making sure that we see everything, and they're able to communicate and respond back to you guys if us on the stream here miss something. And I'm Tom Hazlitt, and I'm a co-founder with Anthony here of Kysen Build and Chief Product Officer, and just excited to be here with all of you and be able to tell you guys about just everything we're trying to do here at Kysen Build, and just to just to hang out. I think it's so fun. It's something we never really did back at Linux Academy. We would do live streams, but it wasn't as connected as this. We were interacting directly with chat, and so this is really fun and exciting, and so I'm really happy to have everybody here. So.
Yeah, and it's good to I'm gonna comment real quick on here. It's good to see you all. Like the comments on the monthly update, they're very encouraging for me. It's what's something I really enjoy so far about the community that's being built here is there's so much positivity, not only towards us but towards other community members, and that's just something I can't emphasize enough. It's so great to celebrate when other people post congratulating or other people win, and we're gonna have lots of things to celebrate coming soon. Tom, I know you're going to touch base on kind of what's going on right now. I think this week we had a pretty significant milestone for Kysen Build, and it's really cool this time around, doing things a bit differently, and the team executing how they're executing. But yeah. Well, and they also said good to see you too, Tom. So.
Oh yeah. Well, thank you. Yeah. So this week has been really exciting at Kysen Build, and because what we're trying to build here, right, is something that's never been done before, right? It's a community-based tech incubator where at the heart of it is our ability to, break large technical scopes down into really small consumable chunks that we call nano projects. And our goal in providing economic opportunity to all of you, to our community, right, is to be able to offer up these nano projects, which may take anywhere from a few hours to a day or two to complete, be able to provide a lot of those at scale to, engineers based all around the world, and for you guys to be able to grab them, complete them, and get paid for that work. But to build that, right, as a system, as a process, as a platform that supports it, right, it's extremely difficult to do. And that's where, John, and Mark have been, leading the charge and starting to in building the platform, but we have to take a lot of small steps between the inception of that idea and bringing something like that to market at any sort of scale. And so this past week, we ran an alpha test, right? I wouldn't even call it a beta test. It's like super alpha test, maybe even like pre-alpha of a handful of nano projects. So in our newsletter, if some of you guys did not see that, in our newsletter we'd sent out an announcement with an application to sign up to be one of our alpha testers for this. And so we had 15 people that we selected out of everybody that had applied, and they came on this past week on Monday. We handed out we had 5 nano projects that we're testing, and so we handed them out. And we've had these testers for us try to complete the nano project. So to see if we are properly building a nano project and curating it in a way where we're providing enough information, providing the information in the correct way, so we can hand it off to somebody and have an engineer actually write some code, and send the code back to us in a manner that we were looking for and that we can use, and have that to be done with little or minimal communication back and forth. And so for us, it's been a milestone, because this is really our first, real live test of this concept of nano projects and nano project development. And so it really exciting. And so it's we're in the middle of it now. We're getting all the submitted code back by the end of this weekend. We're going to be evaluating it next week and seeing how it works. But for us, this is a big milestone, because if this test is successful, then we can immediately move to the next stage and continue developing the platform and the processes. If it's a failure, right, then we got to retool and rework the nano project format, how we communicate it, and then retest. But it's the first time that we really get to test with actual engineers, the validity of our vision of what we're trying to do. And so it's super exciting for us to get to try that out. And I would say for those that are hearing this for the first time, that there was this opportunity to test out these nano projects, I would say certainly pay attention to our newsletter, and our and Anthony and I's Twitter feeds. or LinkedIn because we put that all out there about week and a half ago for people to join. So if you're interested, because we're going to be doing this again, over the next couple of months, we're going to do it several times, and so there's certainly going to be more opportunities for people who want to join in. So it's it's been really exciting. But I don't know, Anthony, John, if you guys have any other thoughts or input on that or anything else that's going on with Kysen Build. But I know that was kind of the big milestone from this past week.
Yeah, and you know what? It's really stinking cool because we got started on this around September 1st, like where it's essentially the birthday of Kysen Build, right? And when we started on September 1st, there was numerous challenges going into this where we were like, we're not sure if something like this is going to work, right? When you look at the traditional software development process, it's very focused, and there's a few things. Even when you look at like building a company, staying focused is pretty important. It's incredibly important. And what we're doing is we're even building an organization a bit differently from a culture, how we operate, how we work, things like that. But we went into that and we had to say, okay, we're gonna build software differently. Instead of 3 to 6 person teams and daily stand-ups and needing developers that have pre-existing knowledge of the product itself. Instead what we're going to do is we're going to break those up in the smallest chunks possible and build multiple product lines, many product lines, and have hopefully a lot of people contributing to these projects. So there's a few things that we didn't know going into it from a process standpoint, from a product development process standpoint. That's relatively new. Like that's something we're gonna have to that it's what you're testing here. And then from an engineering standpoint, there's a lot that you have to think about, from security, intellectual property, getting people for a nano project. You don't want to have to invest an hour of time setup. You want to be able to get in, write your code, get paid, get done, move on to the next project. And from a rapid innovation and development standpoint, that's what we want too. So from a process and a technical standpoint, we went into this saying, I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to maybe help a few people in the process and have a little bit of fun. And here we are, fast forward to December 10th, and we have gotten we've gotten past a lot further. Like we know relatively sure on the process. Tom, you've been working on that exceptionally hard. The platform is coming together, multiple proof of concepts. Now we have the good direction on the way to go. So the technical challenges are almost gone. The product challenges are almost gone. Now there's some left, but it's just an incredible spot to be where we're at, and it's super exciting. We can only, as you start offering nano projects, you start with a few people. Our goal is to continue to write code and develop the platform and a process in a way that every time that we have a group of nano projects, the number of nano projects that we have increases. And it's a point where we don't say we're going for X nano projects. We want to continue incubating and building to make it so that we can have thousands of simultaneous nano projects going at one time. Sure, it's a multi-year process. We have a long-term vision, but it's really cool to see everybody so excited and passionate about it, to be honest with
you. Yeah, absolutely. And that's why it's fun to come and hang out do these live hangouts, right? Because we get to talk with members of the community and hear some feedback and thoughts like we did with our last stream, right? It really promoted, built a lot of positivity. I know 2020 has been a hard year for a lot of people all around the world, and so that's why we kind of hope with these giveaways, just with being able to hang out, just be able to talk to people, be able to give away some vouchers and just hear the good, right, that's happening out there in the world, and especially when it comes to further education. Obviously coming from Linux Academy, and by the way, John Lee was also an engineer back at Linux Academy. So we actually, so 3 of us on stream were all from Linux Academy, and ingrained in that, right, is that desire to just to help others and just to lift others up, and whether it be through education or whether it be through career advancement, economic opportunity. It's something that I know is just really at the core of our beings and what we want to do and what we want to bring to the world. So it's it's just great. I just love being able to hang out with everybody and be here and talk. So yeah, I appreciate it.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, and John, so your tenure was multi-years at Linux Academy, but you ended, I think, sometime in 2018. Is that right?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
2018 sounds right.
You were on the serverless team, developing some of our serverless stuff out there.
Yeah, that was a big start for me. My first job out from my first job. So my second job as a software engineer, and yeah, like you don't know like what kind of habits you build in your first job that carry over, that should carry over, and what should have been left at the first place. So yeah, it was a big learning experience for me. Opened my eyes to serverless because I had no idea what that was before I got to Linux Academy. You know, touching any kind of DevOps was just not in my day to day. And then I go into Linux Academy, and then some days it was like the only thing that I did. So yeah, I'm really glad for that experience, and really opened my eyes to becoming like a well-rounded developer, from writing code to getting it deployed and released, all by my own hands. It was a valuable experience for sure.
Yeah, and it's really great working with you. I'm glad I haven't scared you away thus far too much.
Yeah.
So
yeah, we're doing pretty good so far.
Yeah, so far so good.
Yeah.
So all right, so we also, outside of just, I was about to say Linux Academy, because I'm so used to saying that for so many years. But so
Yeah.
outside of Kysen Build news, there's also, a major event last week that was reInvent, AWS reInvent. So I'm curious to know, everybody in chat, right? Everybody in chat, just if you watched anything from reInvent, curious to know, type in what you thought was one of the coolest things that you saw announced by AWS. And then also, Anthony and John, would love to hear your guys' thoughts on things that you might have seen or watched that really caught your interest.
I have a game. Can we play a game?
Oh, you'll play a game.
Real announcement or entry in our giveaway.
What do you mean by that?
So I'm going to read. So remember, the giveaway was Happy Black Friday. I'm giving away 20 AWS Associate or Foundation vouchers. And it says, reply and tag a friend with your AWS reInvent 2020 new release predictions, wrong answers only. So real service or giveaway entry.
Oh, okay, so you're gonna say a service, a name. You're gonna say the name of a service, and we're gonna have to guess if that was real or fake.
Descriptive. I'm gonna describe a service.
You're gonna describe a service. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So
All right.
here's an example. The AWS cell phone. It's an AI phone. It's kind of like deep learning phone. It's like the deep learning camera. But AWS announced a cell phone where you can actually order the phone and code it yourself with a lot of your own features.
Okay, so now we have to guess if that's a real thing or a fake thing.
Yes.
Okay, so chat, is that real or is that
hardware.
fake?
Yeah, it's like their deep learning camera or their deep learning keyboard. They're on this deep learning thing, so they announced the cell phone part of
The Alexa phone.
it. Yeah.
The Alexa phone.
Yeah.
Well, there wasn't an Amazon phone. Remember, like the Amazon Fire phone or something like that, and it just panned.
Oh, there was one?
Oh, there was, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I thought it was just a tab. Oh, okay.
No, there was a phone. It was.
That explains.
I don't think it was on the market for more than like 2 or 3 months before it got pulled. It was panned.
Yeah.
All right, the first person, we need to get this stream rolling. So the first person, whoever it was in chat, to say it was fake gets a voucher.
The first person in chat. So I'm looking here because I have the combined chat.
Yeah,
so
Saluja.
the first person that said it was fake, yeah, Saluja08. That was the first person from both chats.
Yeah. Congrats.
All right, you ready for another one?
All right, so hold on. Let's give it a second for Christine. Let's make sure we get that. Now, but we do want to say something.
Oh, so who said it? Who submitted that answer?
Gagan Saluja 08. I'm probably butchering that name. Now, I do have to say this though. Now, we're going to be doing a lot of giveaways here in the chat tonight. However, I understand that I do see some names that are familiar, that are repeats, right? So we do want to, if you've won in the past, if you won in the last stream or if won in the last month, through Twitter or something like that, we do want to make sure that it's other people getting the opportunity to win. So if we do randomly select you tonight and you win, let us know so we can pick somebody else, right? 'Cause we want to be fair. We want to give as many different people opportunities, and so and we will check after the stream. So it'd be more advantageous if we do say pick you again and you had one last time. Just let us know in chat so we can pick another person.
Yeah, and as we do this, I actually am gonna run the giveaway through some of this as well, and that's where we'll get some for the game, because I'm gonna avoid some of that rate limiting stuff from last time. So that way we'll just start the giveaways, but we'll stretch it in between what we're doing. Does that sound all right?
So that was good. So it was fake. So now, do you have another one, Anthony?
I do.
Okay, let's have another one. Chat, be ready.
We're going to do another one, then we're going to follow it up with one of the single tweet giveaway. I'm going to run it. I can show my screen if we want. Here we go. And I'm going to describe the service. Last week in the first reInvent, AWS announced Launch as a Service, which is an AI-powered service that can help you set up your AWS end-to-end deployments using voice commands only.
What?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Alexa, deploy to production now.
All right, I see. I'm seeing some fakes. There's a real.
The wording is very it sounds believable.
I like this. This is a good game.
Let's see.
All right,
Fake. I'm seeing two reels, a bunch of fakes.
Fake.
It is fake.
It's fake.
It is fake.
Fake for now. Probably coming next year.
Fake for now, coming next year.
Yeah. You can use your Alexa phone to deploy.
Yeah, I like that. I mean, yeah, it should be real. Why not?
Yeah. Maybe that's an idea for us.
I'm sure somebody has made Alexa integration to deploy their CloudFormation template or something, or start their server. It's had to have happened. Okay, so in between this, I want to do a giveaway. I don't know if you want me to share my screen or not, but I'm gonna run the giveaway in between this. And so what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna make sure everything's updated. What this tool does is it's a really cool tool for those of you who don't know about it. I don't know how many dots we're gonna connect today, but there's something about this tool that you actually don't know. But this tool, what it does is on the Twitter giveaway, it says you need to, number one, be following me on Twitter. Number two, retweet the tweet so we can help some other people. And number three, reply and tag a friend with your AWS reInvent new release prediction. So what this tool does, because Twitter has a few inherent issues with this API, for example, it would only pull the last 100 retweets. So after 100 retweets, which does not include quote tweets, which is a whole other issue in and of itself, it no longer records it. So what this tool does is it collects all of the information, sends it through sentiment analysis, and when I run the winner, it tells me very kindly if that person has done all of the things to win. Because it first pulls based off of retweets. So if you haven't retweeted, you're not even going to be in the drawing to check the rest of the eligibility. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Twitter API folder real quick. After I get in the right location. Here we go. Is it okay, Tom, if I pull the? I'm gonna pull a winner. Is that all right? Are we good with that?
Yeah. So I think it's just like we're gonna give away how many 20 vouchers tonight for the Twitter giveaway. Right.
Something like. Yeah.
So we're gonna give away more vouchers to people here in the Hangout tonight, but we have been running our Twitter giveaway since Black Friday. That's the Friday after Thanksgiving here in the U.S. That was a week and a half ago, 2 weeks. Was that 2 weeks ago now? Or was that just last? Was it last week or was it 2 weeks ago? I can't even keep track anymore.
No, it wasn't last week that we did it. Wait, what? I can't do that. You lost me.
Right, it was 2 weeks ago. Right, 2 weeks ago on Friday, Anthony put out a tweet saying we're gonna, enter follow these things, follow these rules. You will enter in, and we're gonna announce the winners on this stream. So that's what we're doing right now. We're announcing the winners of the people that entered correctly into our Twitter giveaway.
So I ran the tool, and it comes back with this person has already won a voucher. Please run again.
Really? Out of the odds of the hundreds or the thousands of people that entered, we pulled somebody that had already won it as the first poll.
Well, believe it or not, we
did give out a lot though.
Yeah, this time around though, because it's based off of it's first randomly pulling somebody who has retweeted. There's only including quote tweets. So that makes about 220. So there's only 220 people technically entered in this giveaway. We might have made it too hard, requiring you to post a service.
But then the people that did have benefited from us making it too hard.
Yes.
So
yes.
Yeah. More likely to win.
But you know what? K_Rodney, or RODINY. Thank you for continuing to participate in the community and helping spread the word. That is just so cool. So shout out to you.
Yep.
I don't know anything about his Twitter, but if you like Twitter, I think you should follow this person because they're in our community.
Well,
there we go.
Congratulations. Hold on. I have one quick announcement before we pull the next one. So we did have, Christine did point out that there was a delay between submissions on YouTube and Twitter. So I'm sorry, on YouTube and Twitch when we were doing the guessing game with the AWS. So she selected the winner from YouTube because it would be unfair because they were seconds behind. So Stephen Charles, congratulations, you have won an AWS voucher. So Christine, who is manning the
Congrats, Stephen.
Yep, Stephen Charles, congratulations, and get in touch with Christine. I'm sure she's giving you instructions. So, all right, Anthony, back to you.
Yes. So I ran it again, and this person did not have all of the required steps. So
got it. You have to, man. If you're gonna win a voucher, you have to follow the steps in the Twitter giveaway.
Oh, and apparently I'm not printing. I got a winner. Oh no, this was a good one. I'll just keep it to myself. No. Beginners Forum. At Beginners Forum, you are the voucher winner, and the entry was this. The announcement will probably be acquiring Google Cloud.
AWS did not announce.
You couldn't read that one out loud to see if we could call it as fake or true?
I should have. And I want to make sure, and I think Christine is also writing these down.
Can you read out the winners? Or I guess you've been doing that.
Yes.
Let's do that. The winners should be the real versus true.
Yeah, you know what? I'll do is I'll put it. Oh, okay. Do you want to do that? That's fine. Except for you're gonna know, everybody did a fake one though. Christine, I posted the Twitter, and
I forgot about that.
Yeah, it's not gonna work. All right. I had actually, let me find one of these announcements here. All right. here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I lost it. I had to actually pull up some AWS stuff. Amazon Simple Email Service is now available in the Middle East, and I'm never good at pronouncing this, BAHRAIN AWS region.
Bahrain.
I'm gonna be honest with you. That was a person's submission. I did not know if it was true or false. I still don't know if it's true or false, and I'm gonna look it up.
That sounds like it could be true.
Please don't look
Even
it
if
up.
they intended it to be false.
So I'm just gonna say I'm a little suspicious because I copied and pasted it, and the exact title of the announcement showed up on AWS's announcement page. So I think that was a copy and paste entry.
But that was a real announcement, and they were supposed to put in a fake announcement.
Yeah.
So it's wrong.
So that person that entered misread.
It didn't pass. Yeah.
That person misread the requirements and copy and pasted in a real announcement.
Yeah. Except everybody's saying it's fake. I love this game.
Everyone is saying that that's fake.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna post it. This is what and it looks like November 24th, 2020 was when it was announced. I'm all sorts of confused now, but yeah. There's the announcement. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over to my handy dandy little tool. I'm gonna draw the winner again, and this person also did not perform all of the steps, so I'm gonna draw the winner again, and this person has already won. John Shizzy. Christine, I want you to fact check this, if you could, for me, on the database that you sent me, because this is checking against that import I did. So fact check, make sure that person already did win. I'm going to run it again. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. This person did not technically do an entry.
Man,
They
what is with
didn't
everybody?
do AWS entry. Should we allow them to win still?
Oh, I think we gotta keep going.
All right, I'll have to remove this person from the database. It's automatic.
I mean, we're giving away thousands of dollars worth of vouchers here. We can expect people to follow a few simple instructions.
Tens. Like, out of all of the vouchers that we've given away so far and that we still will, I mean, we're at something like 30 grand.
Oh yeah, I just meant tonight. We're giving away thousands in vouchers. So yeah, I mean,
pay the community for marketing than Twitter.
Yeah.
Give some value back. Okay, here we go. AWS is going to give all of its services for free for 2021 because of the financial boom it got this year. That was a winner's entry. I'm going to paste this winner inside of chat. Now, question. We all know that's fake.
We all know it's fake. We all know that's fake. We all wish it was real. It would be
Let us dream.
That would have been
nice gift from Santa Bezos.
Would have been helpful because I learned a lesson the hard way on this Twitter tool I had running. I was sending, every time I was pulling information, I was sending it through sentiment analysis, not only ones that already went through sentiment, that hasn't gone through it. $5,000 AWS bill. I did not think sentiment analysis for an already trained algorithm would be so expensive. In fact, that's almost the case for running your own sentiment analysis, because if you think about it, all they're doing is selling us an algorithm and they're charging a premium for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what scared me from making an AWS account for so long. Just, read the instructions wrong, run something too many times, and boom, a huge bill.
Well, and to that point, you see, one of the reasons why Linux Academy content was so good is that at the beginning of almost every single AWS course, we had a video. And the first thing we taught you is how to set a billing alarm in AWS and set it to $10. So you would get spammed with emails if your monthly billing went over $10 to avoid that from happening. So Anthony failed his own content from Linux Academy, and that he did not set up a billing alert to alert him when it went over $10.
You know, and I'm watching the machine learning course on Linux Academy. I was watching it today, and it's really good. But I'll tell you what, there's nothing in my head that would have I would have guessed that running an EC2 instance, a Redshift instance, like those are reasonable things to charge. I never would have guessed an already trained algorithm that, because if you think about machine learning and sentiment analysis, they've already trained and they've already identified the words for sentiment. So I'm hitting an API that's just returning the results of a prediction from an algorithm for sentiment analysis. I never would have guessed it was that expensive. Sure, it costs more.
Yeah.
Never would have guessed it was that expensive. But you're right, I did. That's my bad. I own it.
That's how they make their money. It costs money to build the thing.
All right, true, fake, or yes, it does. It does. I guess it continuously costs over and over and over again a premium. Oh, yeah. All right, yeah. AWS data shred. It permanently deletes anything after it's been shared to too many people in your AWS workspace.
Hold on, wait. Say that again.
AWS data shred.
Yep.
Which permanently, if you turn it on, permanently deletes anything if it's been shared by too many people in your workspace.
Oh man, that is brilliant.
Mm-hmm.
Like I'm sure that's fake, but that needs to be real.
Yeah. Just automatically get shredded because you shared it a bit too much.
And I want to see what everybody says.
I'm gonna say that's fake.
Hey, listen. We are relying on our community to have integrity and not do a Google search or a Bing search or a Yahoo search or anything that you can actually search with. Okay.
Well, I would say, I mean, we'll allow Bing search because you're not going to get an answer that you're looking for. So we will allow Bing. I'll allow Bing search.
Remember, integrity is what you have when nobody's watching.
Now that is an extremely good clip.
Wow. Where was that?
I'm just gonna guilt everybody. That's what I'm doing here.
That's too funny.
Should I tell? Are we ready?
Yeah, I think so. Let's hear.
It's fake.
Yeah. Not surprised.
Yep. All right, here we go. Going to run a new one. Draw a winner.
Another Twitter giveaway.
Another Twitter giveaway. Oh, and this is interesting. Hold on, let me do a quick Google search. Since everybody's submitting things that are fake and real on this, I'm going to go ahead and post the winner. Here's what I would like to know is if this is true or fake. Winner has been posted into the chat, Cyber Kevin. Amazon's introduced a new match for Alexa. Alexa, meet David, the Duo companion. Basically a connecting service.
Ooh.
At least I think that's what he's saying is connecting service. Let me
Like a dating service?
yeah.
Engineersonly.com.
I can't imagine.
Why not? It's just a bunch of us in there. Dating service. Yeah, I'm gonna say fake.
I don't know, I'm sure there's an Alexa plugin for it though. It's gotta be. All right, drawing another winner. Fake or real? Actually, this is not the winner. Hold on, let me look real quick. Not real quick. Fake or real? Oracle Rack on AWS.
Oracle Rack on AWS.
Sounds real.
Wait, Mark? Did Mark just message us and say real? I'm now second guessing what I thought was happening. If there's anybody that knows,
if Mark says it, it must be real.
wait a minute.
Oh, it just sounds real. He says.
No, wait a
He's
minute.
not as all wise as we think he is.
Yeah, but I did a.
Oh, Mark was just saying that it sounds real, not that he knew that it was real.
Okay. I want to know what this is actually a trick one. So everybody's saying fake. It's fake, except for a quick Google search does show on November 4th, 2015, that you can have self-managed Oracle RAC, on Amazon EC2. But this one was Oracle RAC on AWS. I don't know. I'm confused. I'm going to post the winner.
I would say it still qualifies because it's, yeah, like, I mean, because you can load anything you want yourself onto onto an AWS server.
Yep.
Isn't it what they announced this year at reInvent?
That is, it is true, yes, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, next one, fake or real. You can now launch OS X instances on EC2 or Mac OS or something. I don't know what the name it is, and now I'm mad at Mac after my PC catastrophe.
Yeah, that's
More of my Mac catastrophe. Here we go. All right, the delay's over. Let's see what people are starting to say.
Yeah, but with that though, I mean that's kind of half true.
Which part?
Well, because now they have Mac OS instances now.
I know. I was waiting for everybody to answer if it was fake or true.
Oh, I thought that was something
alert.
Oh wait, was that from a? Did somebody put that in a tweet?
No, I just did it fake or true.
Oh, I ruined it.
Oh,
Oh no, I spoiled it.
All right.
Well,
I'll do another.
I'll
do another one. AWS reInvent 2020. Amazon announces its own cryptocurrency. True or false? This one was provided by Hack in Trope, I think is what that says. That is the next winner is Hack in Trope. And his prediction was Amazon will launch a cryptocurrency.
I think it's fake. I don't know, but I think it's fake.
You know, I was just sitting here. I have the power to confuse about 20 people right now by giving the wrong answer. As far as I'm aware, it's also fake. It's also fake. We're on a streak of people entering, like, this is like the fourth one in a row that did not bounce back on me. So here we go. CloudFormation integrates Terraform. Fake or real?
CloudFormation integrates Terraform.
Terraform. Fake?
I know it's here. It looks like somebody just joined too. I'll make sure I give a quick shout out. Somebody said, "Hey, how's it going?" I don't see that person anymore, but it's going pretty good. How's it going for you? I hope it's going well. Happy holiday season. Happy Today's first day Hanukkah. Happy Hanukkah if you're a Hanukkah person. I think you say Happy Hanukkah. I don't think it's Merry Hanukkah. Merry Christmas if you're a Christmas person. Happy Holiday if you're a holiday person. I got my my on-desk decoration with me.
I'm a big holiday person in general. You want to know why? Everybody take one guess why I'm a big holiday person.
Whiskey.
See, Anthony knows me well because when it's holidays, you can drink whiskey. Now, for people that really know me, know that I don't need an excuse or a holiday to drink whiskey, but
I was super confused.
Today a holiday?
Yeah, it's.
Well, I guess it's the first day of Hanukkah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Tom only drinks whiskey on holidays and not holidays.
Exactly. I drink exclusively on holidays and non-holidays.
Every day's a holiday.
Only 2 types of days.
Okay, it is false, and congratulations to the person who posted this. I'm putting them in chat, so it's easy for Christine there. Bancy, I'm not going to get it. However, here we go. AWS announces health data lake. Fake or real?
Health specific data lake?
That's right. Whiskey any
What
day.
does that even mean?
Whiskey any day.
My tone is a tell. Mark is telling me which way is it a tell for is the question.
He's bluffing though.
Yeah, I don't know if my tone says it is a service or if it's not a service. And for those of you who don't know, we have a Microsoft Teams for all of our full-time members on Kysen Build that we're chatting in right now. And Mark's calling me out on here. Okay, well, I mean, it's real. And Mark said it was real. My tone said it was real.
So how many...
Yeah.
Oh, so wait, do you have to announce the winner? So did you announce the winner for that yet?
Oh, that wasn't I wasn't a draw.
Oh, that wasn't a Twitter. Okay. So how many Twitter giveaways have we given away so far?
Need a counter.
If you guess right, you get a high five.
I don't know if oh, there we go. I don't know, about 10.
5. Okay.
No, it's not 5.
That's what Mark's saying. 5.
Mark's wrong.
Mark's probably wrong.
Mark, definitely. Mark, yeah, definitely wrong. Definitely wrong. He's saying 5 and 3 from chat, so Mark seems to be on top of it here. Oh, great. But Christine says 6 now, so...
Okay, so we have...
Ramesh says 5.
1, 2, 3. I mean, maybe I didn't post these. Here we go. So this one was about Oracle Rack. That person won. Yours truly, Maddie. Sounds like something from Truly Soundgarden song. Okay, and then we have that person. We had Cyber Kevin. So we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that person won. 6. Henry Smith. Oh, and this person did not post. Okay. Did I just not post him in there? I probably did.
Maybe.
So with that update, how are we at now? Approximately 5. I don't know if I should say his name.
Joe Butts Bass.
It's actually his name.
Joe Butts Bass.
He's actually he's one of our alpha testers.
Is he?
Yes, he is. And so one of the interesting things though is when you have like Twitch names, like so much of the name is where you decide to break the syllables, you know, or like so it's so you could read that as Joe Butts Bass, but or you could say Bass, at the end. But either way, but yes, Joe is one of our alpha testers. So Joe, really happy to have you here, and I hope everything's going well with the alpha test so far, and you're enjoying working on the Nano project, and so really excited to have you here.
Is he a doctor?
I don't know.
Dr. Butts?
Yeah.
Is he a doctor?
Well, is Joe doctor? You said Dr. Butts.
I think you made that up, man.
Mark
No.
Mark knows them. They went through the
Oh, it is Dr. Butts.
Yeah.
Oh, he is a doctor. Okay.
This is what I'm talking about. This is why I love what we do, because the thing is like there's so many unique people out there, like with what they do, their personalities, their names, all around the world. And it's like why I just love being part of a community and interacting with people because we just get to meet the coolest people. Like that, like such a unique name, and the person's a doctor, whether it's a, I'm not sure if it's a medical doctor or other type of doctor. Doctor's doctor,
It says
right?
Doctor of Music.
Doctor of music, right? You got a bunch of schooling there.
Plays the bass.
And is an alpha tester for Kysen Build, writing code.
Yeah.
I mean, how freaking cool.
Yeah, no, that's pretty awesome.
Sorry, tangent.
I think you're right. So okay,
Imagine his LinkedIn, man. It's got to be like so many badges on there.
New announcement: Cyber Secure Bro has one, and he is the one that I'm labeling as a he because it says bro, but I could be wrong. AWS will release AWS cell phone. You have it program your own features. Cyber Secure Bro is the next winner.
and I think let's try to, yeah, we should pick it up a little bit here because we're already an hour and 10 minutes into the stream. So
Yeah. Oh, I got another winner then. You ready?
yep.
All right. AWS will only factor in one-on-one studies, no virtuals. I don't know what that means, but congratulations to redtail.com. I did not validate what that was before saying it out loud, but it's a Twitter name. I don't know what's saying. I am not liable for it. Drawing again, did not have all the required steps to enter. Drawing again, same thing. This person's already won. Congratulations. Here we go. AWS will give one free voucher, and also you will get 1 year free a Cloud Guru subscription. I think this is a wish list one.
Yeah, what was that again?
The prediction was that AWS will give one free voucher to everybody, and you will also get a 1 year free Cloud Guru membership.
Wow, that would be amazing if AWS bought everybody a 1 year subscription to a Cloud Guru.
Yeah,
that'd be pretty amazing.
That's a win if you're right, win if you're wrong kind of answer.
We did
what are you saying there, guys?
Shred. We mentioned the shred tweet. Did we miss the winner on that? Is that what you're saying? Or the person in the stream didn't?
Oh yeah, guys, you mentioned the shred tweet.
Yeah. Did we miss that? Well, okay. So I didn't. That actually wasn't part of the drawing. I remember this. The tool didn't draw it. That was me just going down. That was me going down to Twitter looking at the fake versus. Yeah. Was that your post?
Was that
we'll just give that
Tino Tenta?
Well, Christine's on the right track. Let's just give that person a voucher.
Yeah, give him a voucher. Him or her.
Way to go, Tino.
I can. Yeah, we'll just give him a
Great
voucher.
job fighting for it.
Okay, here we go. You ready? Here we go. AWS reInvent 2020. Aurora will be 1,000 times faster. Well, they did announce Aurora Serverless version 2, which is exponentially faster. In fact, I think it is actually said on there 1,000 times faster. So that was either a really good prediction. I should look at timing on there, to be honest with you. In fact, wait a minute. That'll be interesting. If the timing, yeah, that'll be interesting on that timing. All right, here we go. Next one is maybe AWS Indonesia region will launch soon. This person, congrats to you. Posted in chat. Looks like Danica type name. Where are we at, team? We're getting close. Let's get another one. AWS will release a new action movie where viewers will have to. It doesn't give me because I did not pull in the whole tweet. Note to self, John, if you don't use the rate API call when you're doing the search API, you have to put in an attribute for it to pull in the full tweet, or else it gives you a ... and a link to the full tweet.
Ooh,
yes.
That's good to know.
You need to double check.
We might have to tell our alpha testers. Mark, you want to take that note?
Somebody take it. Sounds important.
All right, here we go. AWS will announce a new region on planet Mars so they can extend their services to the whole universe. Look, I have several problems with this tweet. Problem number one, I don't think Mars is going to help the whole universe. I think that maybe solar system, maybe, like, not even the galaxy. Like, I think that's just a solar system. That was really my only problem. Congratulations, Amj, on your name. Sorry, I did not want to talking about. Next one is AWS will absolutely cost free for everyone. I'm seeing a trend. And the Twitter handle for this winner is the leader of man.
The leader of
Because
man.
they know that will be wrong.
So not the leader of men. He's just looking to lead one man.
Or is it like man
Yeah,
as
or
like
she.
man and man?
Oh,
Like the whole
humanity.
human race? Yeah.
Well, but
Yeah.
man is singular, right? So leader of man, like you say, leader of men.
I could read that as like
Leader of man.
destroyer of worlds, leader of man.
Right,
yeah,
but
because I mean,
but
it
if
does
you-
reference.
Like
But if you were to
man,
say
man
this-
like humanity.
right, but if you were to say destroyer, but that would be equivalent to saying destroyer of world, not destroyer of worlds, because man is to world as men is to worlds.
Yeah, but I've seen it referenced like that way, like referring to the whole.
Yeah.
You've seen that. though.
Man as a species. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't think it's right. I think it's a good change. But
I know. I'm getting a little nitpicky over here.
Change your username to leader of men, please, for Tom's sake.
or the leader of people.
I do like that, leader of people.
I got to go look at their Twitter profile now. Sorry, it's gonna detail. I did pull another winner though. So as I pull up their Twitter profile, we'll announce the winner. AWS will release School as a Service. Based off how they charge for their training, I don't know that we're going to see that though. And the winner has been posted in chat. Okay, so the leader of man. Good profile. I like it. Mac Systems Administrator, flag football coach.
Oh, okay. The man's on the flag football team.
Yeah. And then looks like they got a link, agile-defense.com/careers. Perhaps it's their startup. Shout out there. Okay, cool. All right, here we go. Next giveaway. Please do all the steps to enter. Pizza as a service for hungry developers.
Brilliant.
Delivered by drones
Brilliant.
using AI.
I don't care if it's real or fake. Brilliant.
That one's definitely not real. But the winner, Guzman, I think this is referring singular. 1595.
I want an Amazon Joe to bring a pizza in my window and just drop it onto my bed next to me, so I don't even have to get out of bed.
Yeah, just leave your window open
Yeah.
wide enough for a drone to fit.
Amazon's cloud unit will hold its reInvent conference in Ghana, Africa, next year, 2021.
That'd be fun.
I mean, I think they should.
That is the prediction of the tweet I just posted, or excuse me, the Twitter name I just posted inside the chat. Oh, come on. The probability of that is lame. All right, here we go.
Wait, hold. Oh, never mind.
Okay. This person did not do a prediction, so I need to make a note to remove them from the database since we have decided if.
So we actually have another alpha tester, Jay Desai, just joined the chat. I recognize that name. He was actually the first alpha tester to submit his code.
Oh yeah, hey Jay.
So hello, Jay. Welcome.
Jay. I apologize for the slip up in the requirements a bit.
That's why we do these tests.
Yeah.
It's the alpha test. Like the whole point is to find out where the slip ups occur to process and develop eyes.
This isn't even it wasn't even a beta test. Sure. It wasn't like, hey, we're getting ready for release. No, this was like, I mean, it wasn't even an alpha test. This was like pre-alpha, just as early tests as you could possibly label something a test.
Okay, I like this one better than the pizza one. My prediction, AWS reInvent 2020 will release AWS Tacos, the world's first and most accurate AI service for tacos. I'm assuming it said for tacos, but my thing said ...
It's like it is a taco, not a taco.
Yeah. The winner has been posted inside of the YouTube chat, which I'm assuming, oh yeah, it shows up so Christine can see it. Great. Here we go. Next. Amazon, well, that was one I looked at earlier, so I'm just going to, that was the simple email service one, which ended up being true. Posted in chat. Congratulations to you. I'm going until Teams pops up and says, stop giving away vouchers. You've hit your stuff.
I think we're at 17 or 18 now. So we'll do 2 more.
People are pushing for Mars. AWS regions and Mars for extraterrestrials.
For ET? I mean, you gotta take care of ET. ET needs an EC2.
ET needs serverless.
ET needs SNS so he can phone home.
Or is it?
Are you a dad now?
Maybe it's.
Yeah, I'm a dad now.
And maybe I don't. Maybe I'm out of the game. I need our community to school me a little bit here. AWS will launch a new JSF certification. What is that? What is that, community?
Everybody guess.
JSF.
What does JSF stand for?
And that winner for this one is, it looks like Diego. Posted inside of chat. We'll wait a second for everybody to do it. Tom, you know what, though? You haven't given away enough inside of.
So I know. So I was just about to say that. So we have one more Twitter giveaway to give away, and then we're going to give away a bunch to people just hanging out in chat. So we have one more to give away on the Twitter.
How many people are in chat? Can we tell? Between Twitch and YouTube, maybe Christine can make that up.
I've seen it fluctuate. I've seen it up to 35, 40, and that dips down. It dips up and down.
All right, here we go. AWS purchases VMware.
I mean, that's plausible.
Winner posted into chat.
All right, so that concludes our Twitter giveaways, but it does not conclude our giveaways for the night. So stick around, because we're going to be giving away, I don't know, 5, 10 in the chat. So if we have 30 people in our chat, you have a really good chance of winning. So yeah, I would not leave.
Well, what do you got to do to win one, though?
So I we can do a couple of different things. I think we need to play a couple different games. So we can start out with something. We can start out with something simple. Oh yeah, what was the JFS? We do need to know what that was.
Nobody posted.
JSF.
Wait, hold on. Somebody says their tweet is the most adorable. All right, wait. Twitter handle. What's your Twitter handle? We need to look this up. Gotta look it up. VMware's meant for Microsoft. Microsoft is doing pretty darn good these days. A lot better than I actually would have expected. Kitty as a service. Oh yeah, I did retweet that. That was a good one.
JFS journaled file system.
I don't know. Should we give?
That was in chat here. Journal JFS journaled file system.
Let me get the certification part.
All right, so I don't. Let's just do something. Let's just do this. Like, I'm gonna say this. I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 10. Put your answer into chat, and the first one that responds with the number that I'm thinking of is gonna win a voucher.
Wait, and so yes, I have one after that because what I want to know is if there are any challengers for cutest tweet. Because if not, and if you think yours out cutes the kitty as a service, you got to post a link to it in chat. Because if not, I think we have to give away a voucher for cutest tweet.
Most adorable.
Yeah. Adorable. Okay, that's what I was looking for. I kept saying cute. Yeah, adorable.
Nobody's guessed the number yet.
It has a decimal. It's an infinite set of numbers.
All right, somebody guessed the number, but they already won one tonight.
So first person to re-guess it. I know
They're
who it
looking
is.
to copy the number.
I know it is. It hasn't showed up on your stream.
All right, there we go. Joe Butts Bass did get it. It was 3.
Dr. Butts.
Did he win? Did he win one though?
No,
he's just an alpha tester.
Just discussed him a lot. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So no, yes, it was 3, and Tino Tenda. Sorry, I know I'm butchering these names. Said 3 first, but you already won. We gave you one earlier. So, yep. So Joe Butts Bass, or Bass. Is it Bass? Joe Butts Bass.
Yeah, the number was actually
3.14. Yes, it was pi. Yep. It was 3. Okay, so that was one. That was one giveaway. So we're just gonna do weird random stuff.
Yeah, it looks like Christine is pretty inside of YouTube chat. She seems pretty adamant that Kitty as a service is like. I think her mind is blown a little bit.
Kitty as a service.
If someone tweets Taylor Swift album as a service, she'll probably change your vote.
That's so true. That's so true. I don't know. She could shake it off.
All right. So we need.
Is that a fun?
So Anthony, we need.
Tom just went right over top.
Oh, I was sorry. I was reading the chat. I was listening.
That was good.
It
sounded like really serious, and then.
Did I miss something at my expense?
No.
You're not dad enough. I think.
Oh, okay.
We thought you had potential, but you're not ready.
No, I'm not ready.
So are we giving one for cutest? I feel like we're just yes. Kitty won. Nobody challenged it. Kitty won. Christine, make sure the Kitty one gets a voucher.
And yes, Tino Tenda, yes, you did win one earlier for the shred one. So I know that Christine's got your name. If not, reach out to Christine at hello@kysenbuild.com. All right. So Anthony? What else? Or John? What? I almost got through the whole thing without mixing them up. You took your glasses off. That threw me off. I thought, it was like.
Yeah. Hey,
I just didn't recognize you.
I never wanted to be that guy where you take off your glasses and then it's like, whoa, you look weird and naked. Does it look like that to you guys?
Well, I mean, you look different because we're used to with the glasses on. If I knew you all the time with the glasses off, then it'd be the opposite if you put them on. So.
All right, so look, I just love people talking in chat. I think it's Canal on here, And I'm going to go look it up because if it's true, I think we're going to do it. It says, I need vouchers. Please help. I've been constantly asking for it. Enrolled in all contests. Congratulations to all of us, right? So I'm going to share your Twitter handle. And I'm going to go check my database. And if you have, in fact, retweeted on all the contests, I will award you a voucher. Sometimes you just have to. We love helping people here. So, again, it's just random. There's no rhyme to the reason. Please don't be upset if you're not somebody who doesn't get one. Just keep showing up. We love it.
Yeah, and your odds of winning are really good. I mean, we got like 20 people in this stream right now. I mean, and like I think 5 of the people have already won. So like you have like a 1 in 15 chance right now of winning. We're gonna give away a couple more, so you really have like probably like a 1 in 3 chance of winning a voucher tonight.
Yeah, so I don't see any other chats. Somebody get something going here. All right, so if that's the case, let's see here. Hey, no, we are, for everybody subscribed to the AWS newsletter. No, take that back. Not an AWS newsletter. The Kysen Build newsletter. We are sending out a set of announcements for winners on the Kysen Build newsletter. So what is that? That is, if you have subscribed to the Kysen Build newsletter, which if you want to know about nano projects and apply for nano projects, holy cow, if you're not on that, you should be. Then we're pulling at random a list of email addresses for those who have subscribed, and we'll announce it in the next email or special email going out.
All right, so I think we need another random game, random question. Maybe something a little more difficult.
When was Santa Claus born, and how long has he been alive?
When you hear the chat, when was Santa Claus born? And what was that? What was the rest of that?
I don't know. It's just totally random. It doesn't even.
When was Santa Claus born? I mean, is there a
right answer?
Yeah, is there a right answer to that? Like, if you Google when was Santa Claus born, is there like a Google answer?
I don't know. I will tell you what though. I watched a Netflix Christmas special. It's new. It was called Geronimus. I think it's Geronimus Jingles, and it was really good. And what I liked about it is how they applied the magic. It made it. It showed magic, but it made it about math. And it was really cool. And it was on Netflix. I think it's a Netflix original. So if you haven't watched it, I think you should. Yeah.
There is a real answer to this that I'm going to accept. To when was Santa Claus born?
Well, because there is a historical.
There is a historical.
Well, hold on. We have to be. Hold on. People have kids. So, but there is this. Yeah. Well, that's why.
All right, Devendra.
That's why I said it.
Devendra wins. 2080 AD.
280 AD.
Yes.
280.
A monk named Saint Nicholas.
Okay.
For his reindeer wheel.
Born 2080 AD in what is now modern day Turkey. So congratulations. Congratulations to Devendra.
One more random giveaway. Or at least I got one. And I don't know how many you're going to do. I know we're wrapping up. What Overwatch statue is on my desk? It's an Overwatch character. There's only like 8 Overwatch statues in existence. So if you go to the Blizzard gear store and you look it up real quick, you get a 1 in 8 chance for a guess. Somebody's got to win.
What do Santa's elves learn in school? The alphabet.
Hey, thanks for everybody who liked the YouTube feed tonight. We got 9 thumbs up. At this point, that's a 50% like rate. That's pretty cool. Yeah, if you haven't, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get our vanity URL because we're a new company and everything's new, so we don't have much.
Everything's
the
new.
Monthly update.
Yeah, starting from scratch.
Yeah. I wonder how long the stream delay is. I've seen. Oh, there's a. I see. Genji, Tracer, Hanzo. No, none of those are true. But I do have. The Tracer and Genji statues. But it is not the one that is on my desk. I do not have Hanzo or Hanzo. I do have Reaper, but he's not on my desk. I do have Widowmaker, but my kid threw a ball and broke part of it, and it is not on my desk. Can you guys tell I like Overwatch?
I have no idea who any of these people are.
All these names are so foreign to me.
I know.
Elon Musk plays
I forgot what the question was. I'm like, why are you guys just saying all these Japanese names?
So, Anthony, what if Elon Musk jumped off a bridge, would you jump off a bridge too?
Well, I didn't know. I played before he did. I just want you to know. I played before he did. I played literally. I played since it's come out. Okay, so he's really copying me if you think about it.
So, all right. So we got more. So Diablo, McCree, Watchanago.
Hey, Diablo's not an Overwatch character. McCree is. There's no McCree statue. It's not Doomfist. There's only like 8 Overwatch statues. You guys have guessed all of them.
Snowball?
The actual one. No, that's not. I got a Mercy statue. It's not on my desk.
Leader of man.
Leader of man.
No, I guess this just isn't going to be one. All right, here, I'll pop it up, and the first person, I don't know if I can make this thing. The first person to say its name gets it. How's that? Since this was total bust on giveaway idea. This is going to be a little bit crazy here. Oh, Randy won. It's this right here. Oh.
Randy won. So it's Diva?
Yeah.
Huh.
Her name is Diva.
Well, congratulations, Randy. What an odd, obscure way to win an AWS exam voucher.
Yeah. Well, that's what you said we were going to
do. Oh, I know. It's just fun.
That's what I like. I like just hanging out a little bit. You guys see a different side, right? Super professional. I love doing the weekly updates. Also, this is after hours. Kids are in bed, just kind of chilling a little bit. Just such a different atmosphere, So I appreciate everybody letting me show a different side and get to know everybody on here. So it's pretty cool. Oh wait, okay, hold on a second. We might have.
I think we have 2 winners because, yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah, it's correct. So yes, we did miss that. So yes, let's have 2 winners. One to each.
Abdi and Randy.
Yep. So Randy and then Natnail 2686.
Cool.
All right. So I'd say.
Well, and Randy got one too. So 3.
No, it was Randy and Natnail.
Oh, I thought Abdi actually did one at the same time. Oh yeah, just give him one.
Did Abdi?
Yeah, we'll just do another one just in case. And Christine already said congratulations.
I mean, that was well after.
Yeah. it's 7 still.
Opti was the third.
You're lucky. LB is your lucky night. Oh, hold on. We got one more. Let me make sure I promised that. Here we go. Let me do this last one and then we'll close out. It's the one I promised to check out. Thanks for reminding me. Tweets, retweets.
All right, so we're gonna do one more giveaway for tonight and then call it a night.
Well, it's the person earlier I said that had asked, and I said if you had contributed to multiple of them. I don't see it, but we'll do it.
Oh, Tino Tenta, man, thanks for hanging out.
Yeah.
I know it's late. It's 5 a.m. 5:40 a.m. So
Oh wow.
definitely get some sleep.
Yeah, thanks so much, and we'll do the last one to Kanal, and we'll call it a night.
All right, so that's it. I don't know. We gave away what, about 30 AWS vouchers tonight.
So these are for the foundation or the associate level, and the reason we're doing that is because the professionals are $300, and the other ones are 100, 150. So we want to try to spread the love as much as possible. With limited resources to do so, we thought the best way to have the largest impact for the most people would be to keeping it to associate and a foundation.
Yeah, and there's plenty to choose from there. So, so awesome. Well, yeah. Well, congratulations to all of the winners. Thank you to Anthony and John for being on the stream tonight. Thank you to Christine and Mark working the chats. You guys have been great, keeping track of everything, keeping track of all of the winners. And yeah, thank you just to all of the members of our community that are here to hang out and learn and support us as we continue to develop Kysen Build. Please go and you can go to Kysen Build, our YouTube channel, and subscribe there so we can build up our subscribers. We can get our vanity name, and we'll be posting obviously a recap of this there as well as the monthly updates that the videos that Anthony puts together. And Christine, it's your opportunity. You can just message me any other announcement you want me to make here before we wrap this up here, but it's been a ton of fun, and we're going to do this again in another month from now. So there's be more giveaways a month from now, and between now and then, keep an eye on our Twitter feeds. Anthony, what's your Twitter? You want to let everybody know?
Yes, it is at Anthony D. James.
At Anthony D. James. Follow that. He's going to be doing more Twitter giveaways between now and the next a month from now. So the next live stream, which will be a month from now, it'll be just the first week of January. So definitely make sure to follow, pay attention to that, subscribe to the newsletter because we're also doing giveaways through the newsletter. So we're just doing giveaways. We're doing AWS voucher giveaways everywhere. So make sure that you're following us somewhere, and then also keep in touch because we're gonna be doing more alpha tests as we go into January and February. So if you want to participate in those, make sure to keep an eye on the newsletter. But a big thank you all around. I think it's been a lot of fun for us. I hope it's been fun for all of you in chat. But any parting words, Anthony, John?
No, just as always, it's so great to, again, different atmosphere, everybody who is contributing and following and being part of the community. Thanks for your positivity. Thanks for congratulating each other. Building a positive community is really important to us, and it's super humbling to be able to see those who are members of Linux Academy and a Cloud Guru who, I'd follow along for years before I departed there. And thanks just for everything. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, for sure. Thanks, guys, and I hope to see many more of you guys apply and join us in helping us build Kysen Build with our nano projects. I'm really working to get projects out there for all skill levels. So yeah, please join us.
Awesome, thank you. And just a reminder, all winners, you send an email to hello@kaizenbuild.com. That's how you get in touch with Christine, who will then make sure you get your AWS voucher. So please follow up.
Real quick, and before you hit the close stream, and on what John said, the thing is if you're not sure what the nano projects are, this isn't training. We're not doing training. We're not providing any help. What we're doing is we're breaking down our development process on products that we're working on, and we're essentially hiring people at scale for nano projects. So they're paid. We do expect that you're already qualified at the level of the project. We do expect that you already have the proper training and the proper knowledge. We are not necessarily expecting junior, senior, mid-level, all that other stuff. But we do expect that you have some type of formal training, whether it's from an online training provider or a school, doesn't matter. It all works just fine.
Awesome. Well, perfect. Again, thank you to everybody, the Kysen Build team, for participating and making this stream possible. And thank you to everybody in the chat for participating and being great members of our community. We'll see you on the internets between now and next stream, but have a happy holidays, a happy new year, and we will see you all again here at